back, and if you haven't been here before, then welcome to the party. So today we have something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue. Something blue! Makeup remover wipes. I've had talk videos, and I've had update videos, and I've had makeup videos. Actually, for last year's Valentine's Day video, I did a makeup video. So it's all coming around full circle, coming around the bend. Yeah. And I thought to myself, why not carry on tradition, but we can switch and spice it up this year with the combination of two beautiful worlds and two different styles of videos that bring me joy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do makeup, but it's not a makeup video. I just happen to be doing makeup while I'm talking in this talk update video about self-love for Valentine's Day. Fusing the two things together to create something new and see how you guys like it. If you do like it, then please let me know in the comments below. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna continue talking and do my makeup in the meantime because I don't have my makeup done today. Obviously, I need to get that done. So Valentine's Day, it's not my favorite holiday, but you know, that does not mean that we can't appreciate an opportunity to seize the moment and capture it and turn it into something that we can love and appreciate. I hope everyone is doing all right this year. And if you aren't, or even if you are, I'm hoping that you find places, moments in your life where you can give yourself some self-care, self-love. Welcome some joy into your life and into your heart, your world. We talk about self-love because you are your own soulmate. You are there when you come into the world, and you'll be with yourself when you leave the world. Only you can really and truly understand what you go through. The love that you reflect within will transfer to other dynamics in your life. It's important to remember, especially around Valentine's Day, that kindness starts from within, and your reality is what you project. I think Hannah Montana said it best when she said, "Life's what you make it, so let's make it rock, make it rock." All of that is to say, take care of yourself, guys. Love yourself and have your own back, because someone has to. And whatever you can do to be the best version of yourself is only going to serve you and others that you care about to the fullest extent. I believe that karma is a very powerful, scary, beautiful force. So be kind, be patient, be understanding for others. At the end of the day, we're all just trying to get through the day. You don't know what anyone is going through, just like no one really understands what you're going through, your own personal struggles. We have our daily battles, everyday demons that we try to overcome so that they can't control us or define us. Most importantly, define us. Hopefully, mindfully, we work on that every single day. For those days where the battle seems, I can't decide whether to look at my mirror or look at my phone, but it's probably gonna be, no, mirror it is. Anyway, those days that it seems impossible to get your day done, a good form of self-care is making a list and saying it to yourself, thinking to yourself, today is a blessing because it's a new opportunity, fresh start, or listing things that you're grateful for. What are you grateful for today? Like today I was grateful for waking up refreshed. I woke up from my very comfy bed, and I woke up to a very loving Milo cat, and I'm grateful that it's such a beautiful day outside. The sun's out, it's 64 degrees. I spent my morning sitting on my patio furniture, soaking up the sun, getting that healthy sunshine, within moderation, because, you don't want to damage your skin by getting sunburns or anything like that. Moderation, as with most things. But doing those things, that's a form of medicine. Self-care for mental, emotional health. I might have put too much on there, but we'll blend. Life is a very beautiful gift, is it not? Blend. Each day is an amazing, gorgeous blessing, a window of opportunity to take a blank canvas of a day and make it into whatever beautiful thing we can. We can decide, try our hardest to do better, whether it's more self-care by putting good, healthy food in our bodies, making sure that we drink lots and lots of water. Maybe try being kind to a person that you weren't as kind to the day before. And the really tough thing is that we live in a very fast-paced world. You know, you want things immediately, but the thing about growing and being a better person is we don't have 5G data, fast connection, Google results. When it comes to that work, that self-growth, it's not going to happen overnight. Just like you can't expect to plant a flower and wake up to a garden. It takes a lot of time and concentration. As you see, I'm concentrating very hard because my eyebrow pencil's more dull than I thought it was. Anyway, but with time, patience, practice, aka consistent effort, eventually it becomes like muscle memory. Don't have to think to yourself and try as hard to remember, hey, don't get angry, don't get anxious. That's a big one for me. Give yourself time to respond and not react. Reactions can be very dangerous, very volatile. Even though we live in this fast-paced world where you want results, instant gratification, you are entitled to slow down in those moments that you need to take your time. It's that slow and steady wins the race kind of a thing. Patience is a virtue, it pays off. It's the whole tortoise and the hare spiel. I love and care about you guys, the future of our world, and I keep faith, keep hope in my heart that we can make the world a better place. You know, all this stuff, it's so much easier said than done. It's so easy to say, just be a good person. I think we all struggle with wanting to do and be better, whether it's for ourselves or for other people. I don't think the motive really matters as long as you have that want, that drive to improve. Progress for progress' sake. And it's not easy being a human being. It's not easy being an imperfect creature with so many variables of what makes your day. There's so many things that can tie into your mood and that affect your emotions that are both beautiful and terrifying. That's only yourself and your own interactions, but God forbid you start interacting with another human being that has other emotions and their own things that they're going through. But that just brings us back full circle to kindness. I hope that you guys are good to yourselves. Move and live with kindness this Valentine's Day, whether you love or hate it. And all of you, let's be there for each other. Give out a helping hand if we see someone in need. Sometimes it's a bigger picture than what makes us look cool or seem funny, because there's a difference between funny and cruel, and that's a very important distinction. Have lighthearted, playful, kind, silly fun. It comes back to those age-old lessons of treat others the way you want to be treated. Bullying doesn't give you power, and don't give bullies power over you. And that power is very much an illusion because you control your own destiny. You control your own strength. That goes back to what we were talking about last makeup video, I believe. Control the things you can, accept the things you can't, and pray for the wisdom to know the difference. I think we're gonna keep it simple for today, not overdo it. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. This Valentine's Day, I task you with prioritizing the people that inspire you to grow, to be better for yourself, for others, for the world around you. And I pray from the bottom of my heart that you will then inspire, grow stronger, more beautiful. In the inner beauty part, it's more about that inner light, that inner spark. And I hope you have the best day ahead of you. And don't forget, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay bright. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.